Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan. Today I will be making soursop punch. Let me not say it like that. I will be making Jamaican soursop punch. So this is my ingredients. I'm going to use a dragon. That's optional. I'm also using a nutrient. Optional again. I have some vanilla extra. And for my sweetener, I'm gonna use Lasco vanilla. You can go ahead and use milk if that's what you choose. And I also have some nutmeg egg that I have grated. And this is the star of my show, my soursop. Don't watch the color. I have it in the fridge. The fruits is good, just the same. Don't watch the color that it has changed and it is discolored and it is looking like that. The pulp inside is very much good, and I'm gonna show it to you right about now. So I could dive into this now. So I'm gonna just peel off my soursop. Look at that. Look at the fruit, white and pretty. Yeah. Alright, so I break my soursop apart, and what I'm going to do now, I am going to remove the seed. So you know this may take a time, so we're not going to show all of this on camera for it to be drawn out for you guys to get boring. But yeah, this is what I'm basically going to do. Remove the seed. I'm also using some Irish moss as well in my punch. Alrighty, so now that I have removed all the seed from my soursop, I'm just gonna go right over to the blender and I'm gonna just blend this. So come along, this is my seedless soursop, no seed. That's how we want it. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna pour some water right into my blender. Yeah, then I'm gonna proceed in adding my soursop, my seedless soursop, that is. So now I'm just gonna cover and blend. Alrighty, yeah. Pour on. Alrighty now guys, so you want to make sure that you blend your soursop until it is looking like this, smooth. You can see it in the blender, right? Let me show you that smoothness. Look at that. Everything has blended out. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my dragon stout. And remember guys, this is optional. You're making it for your likings. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my nutrients. And I'm gonna use all the nutrients. Alright. I'm gonna add some Lasco as well. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little vanilla extra just for flavor. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my nutmeg. And I'm just gonna cover and blend. I'm just gonna go ahead now and add some sea moss. Alrighty, so guys, if you have been watching my video and watch my strong back drink, you will see where I have implemented sea moss in them. So this is the lovely sea moss. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a spoon and a half in our Soursop punch. Yeah, so that should do. I'm gonna just cover back my blender now and just finish blend. And I'm not gonna blend this for long. I'm gonna blend this for I'm gonna just blend this for 5 seconds. So this is it, guys. So I'm going to just pour this out now for you all to see it. Alrighty. So I have some walnut here, guys. So I'm just gonna gently. And now we're going to just pour. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add my walnut just to top it off. Alrighty, so that's my Soursop punch, looking lovely. I'm gonna do this dog and mess up. Alright, so guys, you don't know me, some man have to taste this, so there you go.
Yeah man, this is the moment that I've been waiting for. Yeah man.
He's gonna drink up all of it.
That was the reason why I make it, not true? That is the reason why I
You
make
can
it.
drink half and leave half.
Why?
For the next day.
Tomorrow provide for itself.
You stop you. You stop that. But tomorrow provide for itself.
For real, I'm not trying to left some for tomorrow still, but based on taste, we can't do that.
You know, I left no. No, we are full.